With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So today we have to solve this problem, that find the locus of the center of the circle passing through the vertex and the midpoints of the perpendicular chords from the vertex of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So first of all, we try to draw the figure. So one of the circle you have to consider, if sorry student, one of the circle you have to consider, if you think that this is one of the circle, and the axis also you can consider like, so you have to consider the axis. Just an example, this is the axis of the circle. One of the parabola we have to draw like this. Okay, now the point to the parabola, another point to the parabola. Okay, then this cutting line going to this. So now you have to put the names of this point. So if it is touches here, that is of a of t1 square of 2a of t1. Similarly, where it is touches, this is of a2 square of 2a of t2, and this point where it is touches is this point, that is a t1 square by 2 comma a of t1, and this point a t2 square by of 2 of a of t2, and one of the point is there, that is this one, is we have to consider h comma k. This is the center of the circle. Okay, so now we have to have h and k is the midpoint of these 2 points. So h equal to, you can write down, that is of a of t1 square by 2 plus a of t2 square by 2 whole divided by 2. So you can write down this is in a simply way, that a of t1 square plus of t2 square, that is equal to 4 of h. Okay, so again you have to write down, that is t1 square plus of t2 square, that is equal to 4h by of a. Similarly, what is k equal to? Again you can write down that k equal to a of t1 plus a of t2 whole divided by 2. So you can write down, that is t1 plus of t2 is equal to 2 of k by a. Okay, by of a. Is this okay? t1 plus t2 by of a. Now we know that t1 into t2 is equal to 1. So this can be changes like t1 plus 1 by of t1. Okay, that is equal to 2k by of a. So if you square both of the side, then what we have to get? That t1 square plus 1 by of t1 square plus of 2 is equal to 2k square by of a square. You can write down this thing. Okay. So now this t1 square actually from this, that t1 square by 1 by t1 square, that is equal to 4h by a. So this side you can write down that 4h by a is equal to 2k square by of a square minus of 2. Okay. So you have to do the simplification here, that 4h by a plus of 2 is equal to 2k square by of a square. So again you have to do, here it is a, so 4h plus of 2a is equal to 2k square by of a square. So if you do the simplification, then what we have to get, that is 4h plus of 2a, that is equal to 2k square by of a. Okay. So now you do it again, something 2 is, so if you take common 2, then 2ah plus of a square is equal to 2 of k square. So if 2 remove, then 2ah plus of a square is equal to k square. Is this okay? So now, so this way you can get it. Okay. So okay students, one thing I do wrong here, this is not 2k. Please see that this is not of 2k. Again I am rectify this one. So again I write down this one, that when we this is 2k, when we make it a square, it is 4. So 4 of k square, this one 4 of k square, 4 of k square, 4 of k square, this one is 4 of k square, so 2k square is left. So this can be written as, that is k square is equal to ah plus of, you can see ah plus of, after dividing what we have to get, that is a square by of 2. So actually we want to write down in a form, so this one is y square, k square, not write down the locus right now, we have to write down as k square is equal to 4a by 4. If you do it, then x h plus of a by of 2. So what is the locus? So then the locus is y square is equal to 4 a by 4 x plus a by of 2. Also you can write down, that is a x plus a by of 2. But you find the locus of the center of the circle. So this one. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.